Hey guys, this is Robert coming from the Long Street Comics kitchen again with another CGC unboxing. If you've watched any of my videos before, you know I'm not a huge fan of the new CGC packaging. As you can tell, this box is just absolutely crushed up. I practically hear broken cases inside, let alone if I need to use this box again to send some books somewhere. I don't know what's in this box. I can't remember. I know I've opened a few lately. It could be some heat, it could be some garbage. Oh my goodness, look at this. It's just all crushed up. This is a shame, and I think I do need to reuse this box. I mean, look, it's crushed down to the corners of these cases. That corner's smashed. Oh my goodness. And now, you know, if UPS treated it like an egg, that would help too. But we know they're not, so they need to package a bit better. Okay, it looks like this is a mediocre slow track modern. So there's probably going to be a little bit of junk in here. But I think there's some pretty cool books too, just looking at the tops here. So we'll start off with this Ninjak variant, which I had no clue. I had a set of the Ninjak #1 variants, including the 1 in 50. I thought this was a 9.8. I hate to start the daggone box with a comment like that, but anyway, apparently this is a reasonably valuable Ninjak variant, even though I don't think it was ratio. Anyway, it is pretty cool. I like this design. Next we have got one of my most favorite books, this Black Widow photo variant, and there is no way this was a 9.4. Oh my gosh, you can tell the guy that graded this box already did not get laid or had a horrible night the night before. It was a Monday morning or something. He was hungover. I don't know what the deal was, but the grader on this box was not having a good day. But this is just an awesome book. It's pretty freaking hard to find. A 9.8 would have been some pretty sweet money. Not that I really want to sell this book, but 9.4 I think I might, because it's just going to piss me off because I know it's a 9.8. Next we have a classic Power Girl 2, another 9.6. I see a theme going on here, but this is just a great book. She's got some assets that people like to see. Nice hues cover. Another 9.6. Edge of the Spider-Verse 2. This book has picked up some heat lately. It's going for a lot more than it used to. A 9.8 would have been freaking spectacular again. I don't know. I need to send a note. Do not grade my books on Monday, or make sure you're happy when you grade my books, or, you know, enclose like a liquor barn gift certificate or something with my books. I don't know. Now this is just an 8.0, but this has been a solid seller for me, especially in a little bit higher grade. But even in this lower grade that's more affordable, now that the movie's out, I'm guessing I don't know if it will have slowed down or if it will have increased people's interest in Black Panther, because apparently, I've not watched the movie yet, but apparently it got really good reviews and is good. At least I've heard good for what it is. I don't know what it is other than a Marvel movie. Anyway, let's move on. Next we've got a classic ASM 300. It's a 9.2. Let's just go on the premise that everything in this box should probably be a little bit higher grade than it is. Unless it's a 9.8. I'm not going to say it's a 9.9, because surely to God I've got a 9.8 in this box. Anyway, everybody knows this book. It's hot stuff right now. I dug this box out of a bin and it looked really freaking sharp. A lot sharper than a 9.4. First appearance of Mutant X. Got some Phoenix going on. Phoenix is hot right now. Oh, Superheroes 8 for Squirrel Girl. 9.0 is a little bit low. I remember buying this book. God, I gotta quit talking about how the grades are too low, but when they screw you on a sub, they screw you on a sub. I know it's not intentional, but I just, I wonder if there are certain graders that are more strict than others, or if it really is a bad day for a person. Because, everybody has a bad day at work. Well, here's a 9.8 finally, this Cheeto Hulk variant. I think this is a pretty sweet cover. I'm not sure if it sells for anything or not, but I really like it. Hulk's looking all savage. Oh, Werewolf by Night 32, 5.5. I thought this book was going to turn out a little bit better than that. Surprise? I mean, it's not a 9.8 or a 9.0 by any means, but I was thinking more a 7.5. If you don't know, first appearance of Moon Knight, but everybody should know it's a pretty big book. Not necessarily in that grade. Oh, here we go. Here's something sweet. The Spawn 189 sketch cover. If I'm thinking right, this is a daggone rare book. I can't remember. I've had several Spawn variants through here lately, but with the 8.0, I remember mine that I actually found from when it was originally out in some of my OG collection. Had a pretty big issue that went through the book. So I'm thinking, based on the fact that this is an 8.0, that this is the daggone rare one. I think there's one copy listed on eBay for some sort of absurd amount, no sales, and I know that's just a listed price, but when you've only got one and no sales, you can assume it's reasonably rare. This book has been selling well. I don't know about a 9.0, but the Netflix series has just helped this book. Really popular, this Punisher one in the limited series. A 9.2 on a Spawn 216 sketch cover. There's not much to say about that. My favorite book, New Mutants 87. We got a 9.4 here. That's alright. Not a 9.8. Probably should have been a 9.6, but whatever. Nothing I can do at this point. Here's another great book, Power Girl 27. Just an incredible cover, and I think this is one of the only covers that this guy has done. 9.2 is not the most spectacular grade, but a 9.8 will bring you big bucks. So this is an affordable copy for somebody, and it's just a great cover. One of the Garner Wonder Woman variants, 609 and a 9.8. These Garners, a couple of them bring a whole lot more than the others. I gotta be honest, I'm not real sure why a couple of them are worth so much more than the others. But this is a solid little book here. Here we've got a Venom variant, one of the original Venom variants, New Avengers 20 and 9.8. These were cool. Then they started venomizing everything, but these are some of the originals. This should bring a decent little chunk. And we've got another original Venomized X-Men Legacy 261 in 9.6. Yeah, there's a little spine crease, just one, but oh, Then we got one of my favorites, as you all know. 9.4 is not the best, but this book is a great seller. It's a quality modern book. Here, I want to say this is a 1 in 50. We got X-23 Hulk. Pretty cool little cover. A 9.4 is meh, but I'm pretty sure that's a 1 in 50 Venom number 13 variant. Here we got a 9.8. I think this is the 1 in 100 Clayton Crane Venom 150 variant. That's pretty cool. Clayton Crane is a great artist. Had the pleasure of meeting him one year at New York Comic Con and having him do a little sketch for me. But this is a pretty cool book. I really like the art on it. I don't know how well it's going to sell. We got She-Hulk 58, McGinnis variant in 9.8. She's looking kind of sexy and like she could beat your ass at the same time. Sensational She-Hulk 1 cover homage. Holding the book right there. Pretty cool. I love these. Here's a Red Sonja negative variant, Adam Hughes cover. It's a 9.6. Would have liked a 9.8 better, but this is one of the great Hughes covers. It's hard to see the Hughes detail and beauty in the negative version, but I think the negative covers are pretty daggone cool, and they're a little more rare than the regular. And I don't remember if there was a regular cover that looked like this, then a Virgin variant, and the negative variant. But anyway, we got a Hughes negative. And then we have another original Venom variant cover, Mighty Thor number 10, 9.4. That's a disappointing grade. But I think this is a pretty cool Thor. You don't see a lot of the Venom stuff. You just see like this Venomized head, and well, his arm and hands looks a little Venomized. But another one of the OG Venom covers. And then what are we going to finish up with? Let's get this out of here. Oh my goodness. We got another original Venomized variant of Venom number 12. Daggone 9.6. A 9.8 would have been really sweet in this book. I think it brings a decent amount. But a Venomized Venom is pretty daggone cool. I'm not really sure how you Venomize Venom, but however you want to cut it. It is, and that's weird, they don't note that it's a Venomized or Venom cover, because it's Venom anyway. They just say it's a variant. But it is one of the Venomized series. Pretty sweet book. Well, that ends this box. Guys, make sure you hit subscribe to see some more videos. Leave some comments if I'm doing something wrong, or you want me to do something different. You want to see different types of books. You want me to talk about something different, talk about the market, what sells, what doesn't. Just let me know. Leave me comments. And as always, thank you so much for watching.